Grakshalo PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana Rugai Kaisa Panda Khlaijaka Manjakha MLA Poldang Shu Monoblock ni Vice Chairman Pranay Debarma Dei Electric Department ni DGM no Khobe Tikubun Adong Rock
Asholo long travel to light Tripura Mono Electric Office PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana Rugai Kaisa Panda Khlaijaka Abni Agolo PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana Rugai Koklam Shawik Khanaroka MLA Poldang Shu Asholo Panda o Manjakha MLA Poldang Shu te Block Vice Chairman Pranay Debarma te Electric Department ni DGM SDO no Khobe Tikubun Adong Rock
ini PSSL ni orang campus PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana rooftop solar obo kaisa belai kaham initiative najakmani government ni through obo nini especially obo ni ngkha motive ngkha solar emission carbon emission jeta ngko carbon emission komir nan babe pollution ni hoite basir nan ni babe obo kaisa scheme najakmani obo rooftop solar panel as per your consumption naimon over okay obonini motamoti more than 60% nini electricity bill pass nai as per tabon je sajakmani tei okay ang arch khayo nor mitru tei je chini public jara chini huge electricity consume khane rok especially borok jara poultry farm khane rok jara domestic jara thongoi motamoti borok ni bill kabang phayo abo hero borok obono installation khaikang khai belai no kahamne oboni hote domestic na khamne nitama obo subsidy bo mano jemon 1 kilowatt na khani expenditure thanai 75,000 hingai nangaro 33,000 hainang ko mannai mini subsidy mannai re obo kaisa belai kaham initiative na jakmani ani loge jara officials tawnai ro borok kaham kino brief kai sai khana mannai obo amagai ang norukni thani norukni kruti koinai je chini oro jara mono division ni under tawnai ro ba whole state jara tawnai ro borok ono implement khaitung jar nogo norok dapti registration khaye of facility no nanang
Bureau Report Jenny Khorang